हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम थोड़ा सा जानते हैं मैग्निफिकेशन के बारे में। मिरर के केस में जो मैग्निफिकेशन होता है उसका फॉर्मूला होता है मैग्निफिकेशन m is equal to h dash upon h, where h dash is height of the image and h is height of the object. ये एक यूनिटलेस क्वांटिटी है। यूनिटलेस क्यों है? क्योंकि ये एक दो इक्वल फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज का रेशियो है, हाइट वर्सेस हाइट, जैसे कि रिलेटिव डेंसिटी, डेंसिटी वर्सेस डेंसिटी, या रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स, वेयर द स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इज इन बोथ द न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर, एंड दैट्स व्हाई इट इज यूनिटलेस। अब हम इसमें जब कोई भी नंबर को स्टडी करते हैं तो दो चीजों की जरूरत पड़ती है। मैग्निफिकेशन में दो चीजें हैं, एक तो है उसकी न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू, और दूसरा है उसका साइन। न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू, कोई भी नंबर m है, उस नंबर की न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू 1 हो सकती है। 1 होने का मतलब है कि h डैश अपॉन h जो है वो 1 है, या फिर हम ये कहें कि h डैश की वैल्यू h के इक्वल है। इट मीन्स हाइट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट एंड हाइट ऑफ द इमेज विल बी इक्वल। तो हाइट दोनों की इक्वल होगी। अब हम थोड़ा सा इसको और एनालाइज करें कि इसका जो साइन है वो प्लस है या माइनस है। तो मैग्निफिकेशन m की वैल्यू में +1 आ सकती है, या मैग्निफिकेशन की वैल्यू -1 हो सकती है। +1 के केस में अभी अभी हमने देखा कि हाइट ऑफ द इमेज एंड हाइट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट इक्वल है, लेकिन इस केस में हाइट ऑफ द इमेज विल बी नेगेटिव टू हाइट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट. Object is always taken above the principal axis, and that is why when we take the image, here the image is also erect because both have same sign. But in this case, the sign is opposite. It means if the object is above the principal axis, the image will be below the principal axis. Now let's analyze it a little more. In this case, height and object, image and object, when are they equal? When the object is placed in front of a plane mirror. The height of the image and object are same. But this is negative. So when we brainstorm, we knew that in case of concave mirror, when the object is placed at C, the height of the image and height of the object are same. So this is the case when m is equal to -1 formed. So this is one situation. If we take the another case, that m is not 1 but it is of some other value. Like if m is not 1, there are two possibilities. m may be less than 1. For example, the m can be 0.3, 0.2, 0.23, or any other number. So if m is less than 1, h dash upon h is less than 1, or we know that h dash is less than h. It means h dash, height of the image is smaller than the height of the object. It means the image will be diminished. So it means if m is less than 1, we can relate it that the image will be diminished. Now if we take two things, m equals to 0.3. 0.3 it is less than 1. So one thing we have concluded that the image will be diminished. But now when we think when it is formed, diminished, and this is erect too. So in case of convex mirror, when we brainstorm, in case of convex mirror, object is placed on this side and image is formed here between f and p, always, which is smaller also. If you recall, when the object is at infinity, it is at f, but when the object is at finite distance, it is formed between p and f, so which is smaller. So here we see that it is diminished, it is erect and virtual. So when we combine these things, that it is virtual, erect and diminished, when can these be formed? These can be formed in case of convex mirror only. Now, on the other hand, if it would have been negative sign, not the +1, if it would have been m equals to minus 0.3, it means the image is inverted. Negative sign shows that if it is negative here, it means it is inverted. So if it is inverted and smaller, then we can recall that in case of concave mirror, if the object is placed beyond C, we recall that the image formed here will be at this point. So this is smaller. So if m is greater than 1, m की वैल्यू 1 से ज्यादा है, हमने जब इसको फॉर्मूला रखा h dash upon h is greater than 1, so h dash will be greater than h. It means image is greater than the height of the object. तो इसका मतलब ये enlarged हो गई, magnified हो गई. So magnified image will be formed. Okay, now again m is greater than 1. It means m can be plus 2 or m can be minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 2.5, anything, any number which is greater than 1. With the sign we have to consider separately, because sign tells us whether it is inverted and or not, and the numerical value tells that it's magnified or not. So if m equals to 2, we know that it is enlarged. Okay, it is enlarged, and again if this is h dash upon h, if we put, we get that h dash is twice of h, double m, magnified m. So for if it is 2, it means it is magnified, and it is magnified and erect. So magnified and erect images are formed only when the object is placed between f and p, behind the mirror, in case of concave mirror. And m equals to minus 2. Minus 2 means it is enlarged but it is inverted. And this is formed in which case? In case of concave mirror only, but when the object is placed between C and F. So here it is enlarged, but it is inverted. Here it is enlarged, but erect. So this kind of brainstorming will help you to find out that for which value of magnification, which ray diagram is suitable and how to calculate it, and which type of mirror would give us which type of magnification. Thank you.